Hi guys, welcome to TeleZ Update. Today is all about October teaser on Jodar Akbar. Zee World Jodar Akbar October 2021 teasers. Haider has the potential to increase the chasm between father and son. Jalal and Salim arrive in Amer at different times. Salim meets Anarkali during horseback riding. They had a lovely moment but don't realize it since they don't recognize each other. Jodar praises Birbal for suggesting a way to bring Jalal and Salim closer together. Anarkali goes to the palace to deliver a message from a friend to Farhan. Farhan's father, Bella's father, is hell-bent on murdering him. While attempting to safeguard Anarkali, Salim becomes close to her. Salim's drink is spiked by Birbal. Jalal and Salim are growing closer and closer every day. Kutub is mistook for Salim, and Anarkali shows her anger for him once more. Manbai is also mistaken for Salim's love interest by Birbal and Jodar. Salim is pondering how he may improve his relationship with Anarkali. Salim tells Farhan that he would halt the marriage at all costs, while Bella's father orders his guards to make proper arrangements. Salim and Farhan are successful in kidnapping Bella from the wedding venue. Salim swears that no matter what it takes, he would always stand up for real love. Manbai is assured by Jodar that she would be Salim's future wife. Jalal is requested to marry Bella and make her his most cherished queen in order to save Salim. Jodar is consoled by Jalal. Ruqayya informs Salim of Jalal's wedding plans. Later, on his way to Bella's house, Salim confronts Jalal. Salim approaches Jalal and challenges his choice, but in the process, he gets injured. Jalal discloses to Jodar the true cause for his behavior. Salim intends to kidnap Bella and marry her instead of Jalal to Farhan. Bella wraps up her story in Jodar, explaining how she was compelled to accept the proposal. Jalal then makes a startling statement. Haider murders Farhan in an attempt to prevent Jalal and Salim from reuniting. Salim holds Jalal responsible for his friend's death. For being the cause of Farhan and Bella's deaths, Jalal punishes the tribal ruler. Anarkali declines the marriage proposal that has been made for her. Salim understands that Anarkali has always been Nadira. He feels deceived and turns to opium for comfort. Ruqayya is thrilled with how effectively Salim has taken on the role of her puppet. The Mughals leave Anarkali behind and return to Agra. Is this the final chapter in Salim's love story? After a long period, Salim reunites with Fatima and Qadir. Birbal instructs Jalal to employ reverse psychology on Salim in order for him to embrace his role as the empire's successor. In the meantime, Anarkali has arrived in Agra. Ruqayya throws Anarkali out of the palace as she tries to seek refuge. Salim is enticed to a ladies' club by Haider. Jalal later holds a combat competition for his queens. The love affair between Salim and Anarkali takes a turn for the worst. Anarkali gets the shock of her life at the Dargah when she finally meets Prince Salim, who turns out to be the guy she has been in love with throughout her life. The two express their dislike for each other and part ways. Ruqayya persuades Salim to attend Jalal and Jodar's wedding anniversary in order to make Jalal happy. Haider is hell-bent on preventing Salim from reuniting with Jalal. He intends to enlist Anarkali's help in carrying out his intentions. Haider appears to have succeeded in ruining the Salim-Kali connection. Salim, on the other hand, can't stop thinking about Anarkali. Jalal instructs his ministers to send Mirza an invitation. Haider abducts Anarkali and pins her to Salim's chest. Anarkali chooses to participate in the royal event as a dancer in order to cure her ill father. It's the wedding anniversary of Jalal and Jodar. Salim and Man reenact the beginning of Jalal and Jodar's love affair. Jodar recites praises of the Islamic prophet Muhammad as a gift to Jalal. Salim informs Jodar that he is not prepared to marry. Anarkali comes home with rich money only to discover her father has died. Daniel seemed to be smitten with Man. Salim approves Man's marriage, much to everyone's surprise. Jalal arrives home after his travels. Man notices Anarkali in the palace, and Salim arrives shortly after. Is it possible that this is the start of a love triangle? Jalal's lavish presents are rejected by Anarkali. Later, she and Salim have a verbal spat, which Jodar witnesses. Haider begins to plot his revenge on Anarkali. Salim pities Anarkali and urges Haider not to harm her again. Jodar attempts to warn Jalal about his new ego of being God's equal. Salim promises to offer Anarkali the life she deserves now that he has acknowledged his faults. Jalal announces his new status by launching his gold coins. Will this be a success? Joda confronts Anarkali and questions her. Jalal is in for a rough time, according to Guruji. Later, Joda has a nightmare about Jalal being in serious danger. Jalal's new heinous demeanor has everyone on edge. Man Singh manages to break himself from his jail. During the wedding ceremony, priest discloses to Joda who the mystery youngster is. Jalal tells the priest that he must leave Agra. Man and her father are on their way to Amer. Mirza later apprehends Man Singh. The deadly insects that infected Jalal begin to spread throughout the city. Anarkali is prevented from meeting Salim by Haider. Shah keeps pushing Jalal down the wrong road. Shah had been in cahoots with Sharifuddin and Mirza all along, it turns out. Jalal loses consciousness. Sharif subsequently discovers that Man is opposed to them. Jalal finally regains consciousness after 2 months. Ruqayya begs Joda not to leave Jalal's side, and she agrees. Joda leaves the palace to perform her Maryam Zamani responsibilities and goes into villagers disguised as a commoner to help people. Anarkali discovers that Salim has been constructing homes for the locals. Jalal then pulls a prank on Joda. Ruqayya is enraged that she has to work like a regular lady. Thanks guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to TeleZ Update.